Welcome to the EZLynx course on Sales Center Agency Insights. Agency Insights is available to Sales Center admins for agencies with our Sales Center product. In this video, we will demonstrate how to navigate, use and assign opportunities with Agency Insights. So, let's get started. Agency Insights for Sales Center automatically generates potential prospects from your quote data and book of business, giving you the information needed to recapture, win, upsell, and cross-sell opportunities before the X date. This data mining helps your agency capitalize on the information already in your management system. Sales Center Insights is also useful to admins because the system does the work to let you know where the possibility of a sale might be, and then allows a seamless transition to convert them into an opportunity within your Sales Center pipeline for your producers, enhancing the overall sales process. To get started, hover over the Sales Center icon and click on Agency Insights. Here you will notice summary cards running along the top. The first 3 cards are related to the status column you see below in the table. New is total number of new insights. These are insights created today. Expiring today is the total number of insights that will expire today and be removed if no action is taken. Expiring soon are insights that are within 7 days of the action deadline. The next cards are suggested actions. Cross-sell, the total number of cross-sell insights. Capture unbound, number of insights for policies that are unbound. Recapture lost policy, the number of policies that were lost. Suggest umbrella, number of cases that qualify for suggested umbrella. To learn more in depth about the statuses and suggested actions, please read our Agency Insights article. Next, to hide the summary cards, click Hide Summary. To show, click Show Summary. You can also filter your list by clicking any status or suggested actions. For demonstration purposes, we want to create new umbrella opportunities, however you can choose whichever status you like. Click on Suggest Umbrella. Notice the table filtered to show us what we are looking for. You can search the table using the search bar, or at the bottom of the table you can change items per page and navigate to different pages. To further filter beyond the summary cards, click on the filter icon. Here you will have options for producer, suggested actions, suggested LOB, date insight created, insight expiration and status. For this example, we will set status to expiring soon. When ready, click Apply. Looking at the table, notice the column headers. Prospect, assigned producer, suggested action, suggested LOB, date insight created, insight expiration, status and actions. Status is set within a 30-day window. New, being day 30, open, between days 29 to 8, expiring soon, between 7 to 2, and expiring today, last day. Clicking actions for an individual line item will give you the option to create opportunity, temporarily remove, which will snooze the insight until the next renewal date, if criteria are still met, and permanently remove. Next, you can perform bulk actions. To do so, select one or more insights by checking the checkbox. Notice now you have the option for email campaigns, create opportunity, and remove insight. Clicking email campaign will open a pop-up to schedule a campaign. To learn more about email campaigns, please view how to create and send email campaigns. Next, click Create Opportunity. This will allow you to turn the insight into an opportunity so producers can act on it. Select the opportunity source and assigned producer, then click Create Opportunity. This will create the opportunity and notify the assigned agent based on your agency Sales Center settings. Finally, Remove Insight has 2 options. Temporarily remove will allow the insight to come back later based on next renewal date, while permanently will remove the insight so it will not show up again. That is all for this course on Agency Insights with Sales Center. You should now have the knowledge and skills to navigate and use Agency Insights. Thanks for watching.